Look where we've been, ignoring the signs, blinding our eyes. Where will it end? We can live in the light or hide in the darkness. We continue to fight, though we didn't start this, and it's killing me. You see this world that we share, painted by artists, placing strokes without care. You think it'd be easy to find some peace in a world, but we're all just fighting each other. But a perfect picture has a perfect blend, and it's not just a clashing of colors. Can you hear my voice as I'm crying out? This is the movement, so move with me now. Now I believe that if we come together, we can get higher, higher, higher. And I believe that if we stand together, we will rise higher, higher, higher. I believe that life is a canvas, it's all part of something bigger, constantly changing with the times, an ever-evolving figure. What will it take to walk hand in hand, change with the times and understand, create harmony? What's unity? Erase the meaning of a form